Welcome to our Uncle DIY video! Which one do you want to do first? Is the experiment. Which experiment do you want to do first?
I want to do this.
I want to do this one. Let's rock, paper, scissors. Who wins, who do it first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win! That means I am the one. Well, what?
Choose hands.
三次. Alright. Shoot. Hey! Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I do again. Always got it. So, well, we're going to do this first since Jenna went. Let's open it and see what is in. Let's see. An instruction book and a piece of.
I don't know what's this. Oh, the bullet. It's a science.
So it says that this is a doodling robot.
Let's do this. Let's do the map first.
The instruction.
Okay. One.
Now let's take it out. 1. This, I don't know. And then 2, 3, 4. 4 packets of things. Let's open it. The first. We will put it in. And then use this. And remember it. And then we will. I'm just going to screw it down it. Screw it harder than the top. Now the second one is screw. Screw. Even harder than the roof. Now let me just put. Now I'm going to put this. Put it. Now I'm going to screw it. The whole doodle board is finished. Just one more marker to go. I still need a battery. Can you give me a battery? Piece of paper. Oh, thanks. Now let me just put in here.
Ooh.
And we will test it out.
Yeah. On.
Now
Switch to on.
we just need to put it and let's start it. Oh no.
Whoa.
What is drawing?
What is drawing? Oh, this is like a little ball. What is he drawing?
What is it drawing actually? What the heck? This is confusing.
Look at this.
Too confusing.
Huh?
I think it's getting out of control. Let's close it and see what did it just draw. Off it. Switch it.
Wait.
Let me have it. Okay, switch it. Just switch it.
Oh my gosh.
Now let's see what he's drawing again. Is he going to draw ugly painting? Look at this. Yeah.
Is he drawing a moon? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can figure out what he's drawing.
Doodle board, can you draw a zebra? Can you 피해자 동지야 너무 막 그래. 원장 물어봐 이거. Now let's just put it in. Okay. Let's just on it and see what is this for. Okay? Nothing to do. We just broke this right there. In front of my eyes. Wait. Jonah, wow! Go, just put it in and let them roll. Just.
How can that do it? I can't figure out what this is.
Yep, that is hard. What is it doing? Did we do wrong or something? What is Doodle supposed to do? I think Doodle is supposed to do anything that is garbage. Because this is just garbage. So in our next video we will have this. Using fruit to turn into electricity. And after that, and if you want to watch this video, let's get this video 1 million likes, and then we will get this video in Uncle DIY. Be sure to subscribe the video, and we see you in the next video.
Yeah.